Israel arrests 905 Palestinians in March and April, NGOs. Location to be named after Trump found in Golan, Israel. Assad regime kills 3 civilians in Idlib, white helmets. 565 civilians killed in de-escalation zone since September. Iran's court upholds jail term for female journalist. Oman to reopen embassy in Baghdad, Iraq. Tribal clashes kill 7 in Sudan's east. 24 Rohingya rescued from trafficking in Bangladesh. Young female Afghan journalist shot dead in Kabul. 37 Bangladeshi migrants drawn off Tunisian coast. Militants storm 5-star hotel in southwest Pakistan. Indians cast ballots in 6th phase of general elections.